Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 allocation investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the two things. The first is a single multi-sig solution Omniway from InvArch. The second one is a PINK airdrop from InvArch. And so the Omniway right now is in beta product that you can connect. I'm going to use a subordinate and connect to the Omniway. And you can create the account. Now I'm going to create a new OmniSig account, put a name, and there are two options. I will use a traditional. Of course, you can also use a governance in the future. So right now I'm going to add some users to this organization. So I'm going to create a few accounts using the subordinate. So subordinate is quite convenient that you can create multiple accounts. So I have created a few accounts. Now I'm going to put the address. So here is a substrate address, but it will automatically convert that into the Tinkernet address. So I click next, and now I'm going to set the voting threshold. So I will put 2 for now. Now you can finally review them, and here you need 100 Tinker. So I'm going to send some Tinker token. You can easily access that from manage tokens here on subordinate and activate that. Now I can check the Tinker, and of course right now I don't have enough because the transferable is less than 100. So I send some token from another account. Now I have enough. Now I can create the multisig. So it will cost some fees, Tinker fees. So right now it will cost 100. So I'm going to spend 100 Tinker, add some initial funding fee. So now I will approve. Okay, so now you can see all the assets currently in your account, and you can check your balance. You can even send the token from different chain. Right now they have a Tinkernet and also Moonriver and some other parachain that's included. So you can check it here, including Kusama, Basilisk, and the Picasso as well, and Moonriver Shiden. So you can select Moonriver, and you can put the destination address and send some Moonriver token here very easily. Just propose the transaction and submit the proposal. After that, you can check the transaction, and you can see all the transactions you have made. So really appreciate again Yaki who made this video. And you can also check the management where you can add members. So basically you can add those members to your account, and you can have a multi-sig account right now. So here I will not do more demo, but basically you can explore that by yourself. So you can also delete that easily or add more members. So this is about the OmniSig. Now about the PINK. So they have 15 million PINK tokens that will be used for the InvArch ecosystem, and for the 2.5 million, they will be distributed equally to rows with at least 5 batch stake by DAO staking. So it will be conducted on May 15th. So if you want to get the PINK, so make sure you should have at least 0.1 dot on the Polkadot asset hub, and also you should stake your batch token, and they are going to distribute that to the Eurodao as well, and also some for the airdrop for the Omniway. That's one I just demoed, and also some for the incentives marketing. And if you support my AIWeb3 DAO, then you are going to get some actual rewards, because we already made the announcement. Basically those 120,000 batch token we are going to distribute with 60,000 to those who stake on AIWeb3 DAO, and 30,000 to those content creator. And also we have the Dragon card pool on our Discord, and we are going to put some batch token to that. And so if you want to get some actual rewards, so be sure to check those. There are of course a lot of other thoughts on InvArch, and we would like to support all of them. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.